Well, hi, everybody. Scott Kelby here, and today I've got a sneak peek of an unreleased Lightroom feature that is coming to a Lightroom near you soon. And so let's just get into it, because I'm telling you, this thing is a game changer for finding the photos that you want, right? Without keywording. If you're like me and you hate keywording, man, this is a game changer. So we've always been able to do a particular kind of search, right? In Lightroom Desktop, we can just go in there and type in, well, let's take a look. Let's just type in something like car. All right, let me go up here to the search. We'll type in car, and here, let's go back here. And yep, it finds all kinds of cars, right? Let me just zip back up here to the top, right? It finds cars. That's what it does. It does it really, really well. However, it's just kind of one word. But here's the sneak. This is cool. It's going to be natural word search, like using natural phrases and natural language search. I said that as clunky as possible, but that's what it is. It's natural. So let's try, and when you see it, you'll get it. Okay, so we don't have to just type in car anymore. Like we could type in woman. Whoops, let's go back up here. Woman wearing a yellow long sleeve shirt. And wow, there it is. Look at that. Here, let's go over here. There you go. You can see a little better. Look, if you're wearing a yellow long sleeve shirt, look, there goes, different people, whatever. It just finds it just like that, right? So that, I think, is pretty amazing. I'll give you an example, too, another example. How about, this is cool. It recognizes people's names. If you've tagged someone's name, right? I can search for me. I could go Scott. Let's make this a hard one. Playing drums, wearing sunglasses, which I don't always do. There they are. Just boom, they just show up and they just come out and they're there. And wow, I think that's amazing. All right, let's try another one. How about this? Just a real simple one here. A woman wearing glasses. How quick is that? I mean, there they are. Just boom, woman wearing glasses. But let's really test it. Let's really give it a challenge. Here we go. We're going to ask it to recognize Darth Vader and a Stormtrooper. I got to spell it right, though. Stormtroopers. Look at that. So we shot some toys in our studio, right? Different. And look, here's in the mall. I saw a stormtrooper walking through the mall. There's another stormtrooper. I mean, I don't know. This stuff is this is that next level stuff that we've been wanting, and well, now it's here. All right, let's dig a little deeper, because it's just fun to do this. I don't know where it was, but somewhere I shot this row of olive oil. So let's go olive oil in rows. And let's see what we got. There they are. And look at this, though. It showed olive oil. It showed a bunch of olive oil in rows. Olive oil next to some bread. And then some rum. Hey, it's not released yet. All right. Also, I shot a ballerina outside in front of a wall. Ballerina in front of a wall. Oh, come on. It's just, I don't know. I just think it's pretty amazing. Let's dig a little deeper. All right. It knows me, right? So Scott playing guitar on stage. Oh, okay. All right. Now you can see I'm playing different guitars. There's a Telecaster, and there's some red Strat type things, and there's another Telecaster. And if you would go down, I'm sure you'll find me playing Les Pauls and different stuff. Yeah, there's a Les Paul. There's another Les Paul. How about this? Ready? Scott playing guitar on stage with a Fender Stratocaster. I figured if it knows Darth Vader, and I better spell caster right. And look at that, right? There's a black Strat. Here's another Strat. There's a Strat. This is a red double cutaway Strat. Come on, guys, this is crazy stuff. All right, so now you have a sneak peek of how this whole thing works. And a special shout out, thanks to Adobe for letting me share this sneak peek with you. A new unreleased feature that's coming to a version of Lightroom very soon near you.